The Sealey Quickset putty metal is ideal for repairing or rebuilding almost anything made of metal. Before application, roughen and clean the area to be repaired. This will create a more secure bond to the workpiece once the putty is set. Cut or twist off the required amount of putty metal for the job. For best results, use damp fingers for easier mixing and a smooth appearance once cured. Mix the putty by kneading it with your fingers until it's a uniform colour. Apply to the surface that needs to be repaired. This should be done within 2 minutes of mixing. Force the putty into any cracks or holes and mould the shape as required. Remove any excess material before hardening takes effect. Allow the putty to cure. Functional cure occurs in 60 minutes and full cure in 72 hours. Once the putty is fully cured, refine and finish the workpiece as required.